Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for stopping by. Today's video is brought to you by Dad to the Bone. So if you guys are wondering, he left a comment and I wanted to answer that for you. And his question was, how do I get side work as an electrician? And I would just like to answer that by saying the only way that I actually get side work as an electrician is that people ask me to do work for them, basically from church. So that's really the only way. I don't ask people to do work at their house or anything like that. But you could. I'll try to give you some suggestions here. This is not going to work out. What is wrong? Why isn't this working? Why isn't this working? Okay, my car's broken. Anyways, I want to say you could go on Facebook and say, leave a comment or something saying that you want to do electrical work. You could name your price or whatever, anything like that. You could also check on Craigslist and stuff like that. So I don't really know how most people get their work. Usually just word of mouth, word of friends. So usually it's the fact that people know you're an electrician, and that once you've helped someone, they can often refer other people. They can refer other people to you from their work or from your work. So if you do work for someone and then someone asks them, hey, do you know anyone that does electrical? You've already helped them and established that you've done good work and stuff like that. So usually just word of mouth, and it kind of gets around that you're an electrician, you do good work. So that's really about all that I know of how to get work. So that's basically the answer to your question. I don't want to drag this on any longer than it has to be. So the only way that I get work is from people from church. They know I'm an electrician, and that's really about it. I don't do anything special. So hope this helps you out. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.